dongruok ne weg geche mosebedo katiyo gi feri e ng'ado nam kowuok Mombasa ka gichomo Diani bang' piny owacho yawo apaya madongo kundu bathe nyakonchiele. Gikoni midhiero mar dongruok mag geche magisebedo ka gikalo e feri koro rumo kendo en geno margi koro ni wuoth dhi bedo manyamonge. Joja oko nigi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Ne en suoruok mayom ne weg gache mane chako tiyo ga paya madongo kundu bang' piny owacho yawo bathe nyakonchiel mondo mi jopiny ochak tiyo kode kapok oyawe ayanga gi jatend piny giko dweni. Gikoni wach tiyo gi feri yande ne kelo wich bar ne weg gache mathoth kaluwore gi dhungruok mag gache ma ok rum mane thoro timore kaluwore gi kethruok mag feri e kinde ka kinde.
Ile changamoto tulikuwa tunapata sisi kuvuka feri. Unaketi feri almost 3 hours unasubiri tu kuvuka.
It's been a beautiful drive. Well done. Hongera. All the guys that have worked on this beautiful bypass. It is super. The scenery with the ports there on the right and all the mangroves and the beautiful new road. Oh, thank you.
I think it's a sign of relief for everybody. The Likoni Channel has been a pain for so long. I hope that pain is over now and we do expect growth and nothing more growth.
Lakini kwa sasa hivi bado wamefungua kwa single lane, lakini inasaidia sana kwa wafanyikazi ambao wanafanya Ukunda, wageni wanaokwenda Ukunda,
Yepo marapayano koro gikoni dhi kelo dongruok e alwora madongo kundu kochomo Diani, magikoni yande ne othirno kaluwore gi ng'ikruok mag wuoth ma yande nitiere.
Uchumi utafunguka sana, mwanzo hizi sehemu za hapa ng'ambo Tsunza kwenda Lutsangani, uchumi utakuwa juu sana. Utakuwa sawa kabisa. Na hata itatusaidia paka kama kazi wa Tsunza hapo ulikuwa akipata mgonjwa paka Kinango huko mabarabara mabovu.
I've used the ferry many times and it's the complete opposite. Stressful, you're waiting, it's hot and you don't know for how long you're waiting, you can't plan your journey, but this was wonderful. Asante sana for this.
Most beautiful coastline is in the south coast, but that the growth of the south coast has been restrained by access to the south coast. Now this road opens the south coast in the best possible way.
To bang' piny owacho lieko ni kidek juo weg gache matiyo ga paya no, gikone girwako kama kani ok odwok gi feri magikone gisebedo ka gichulo to onge ber maginene.
Mimi niko tayari hata kwa kulipa 300 lakini ile usumbufu wa feri
ni afadhali hata ikiwa watalipia 200. Ni vile vile tu ni sawa kwenda tualipia feri na kungoja na kupoteza wakati. Hapa kutakuwa ni sawa kwa sababu ni kulipa, si hakuna delay yote, ni kulipa na kupita. Usalama lazima ukuwepo. La kwanza tunao booth hapa nyuma yangu. Ipo kuna police station nyuma yetu na mbele pia lazima kwa sababu kutakuwa kwa utumizi sawa barabara utakuwa mwingi.
Tulitaka kutoa jasho tena kawaida ya kupita Likoni bwana. Hatutaki kuona ferry tena. Wacha waikwe scrap wa park. Hii Dongo Kundu number 1.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.